Hi everyone, it's Dr. Tak again, hair and scalp specialist from DMD Skin Sciences. So today we will be talking about commonly known hair myths. And are they true or are they false? Stay tuned to find out. So hair is more prone to breakage while wet. So I guess that's how this myth came about. So the tools that you use on your hair can also contribute to breakage. Most brushes and combs have closely spaced teeth that pull on the brittle hair. So this sort of repeated tension can cause the strands to break. So if you do comb your hair, I will advise to use a wide tooth comb to prevent pulling on the hair and to prevent damage. So this is true. So after bathing, pat, don't rub your hair and squeeze gently with a towel to let the moisture out. Allow hair to air dry naturally for about 3 minutes. Once it's partially dry, you can detangle the strands carefully with a wide tooth comb. Work the comb through your strands slowly, making sure you don't tug at it. So why am I always advising the wide tooth comb? Because this comb has a wider spacing in between each tooth that allows more hair to pass through. Ordinary combs have a smaller gap between the teeth and pulls on the hair when you have tangled hair. So these combs could get stuck in your hair and end up pulling wet hair, which results to knots or tangles, which then cause breakage. Using a wide tooth comb, especially on wet hair, results to less pain and less hair breakage while detangling. So in recent years, there has been a shift towards the consumers purchasing more eco-friendly, natural, and sustainable beauty products. Opting for products that do not contain chemicals such as sulfates or parabens will greatly benefit your hair in the long run. So other benefits of using these natural hair products, they use recyclable or biodegradable packaging, which means the packaging won't harm the environment or be discarded in a landfill site. So while natural hair care products often carry a higher price tag than the commercially available ones, you'll pay for quality. So by paying a little more for natural hair products, you're investing both into an eco-friendly market, but also investing in healthier hair for you. So yes, this is true. Reserve using gel, mousse, or hairspray for special occasions because these products create a heaviness in your scalp. When you do use these products, make sure to thoroughly wash your hair because product buildup can cause scalp heaviness. Biotin has been promoted as a hair growth supplement, but it has not been shown to have an effect on healthy hair or in persons with no proven biotin deficiency. Actually, the American Academy of Dermatology reported that although biotin may be useful in certain hair conditions, more studies on biotin and its use on healthy hair and on hair conditions are necessary. So, what is biotin actually? It is an essential nutrient for the body. It is commonly found in beef liver, whole eggs, and salmon, which are just among the few food among the list that are rich in biotin. If you eat a balanced diet, you're actually taking your recommended biotin dietary allowance, which is 30 mcg for both males and females greater than 19 years old. This is true because tying hair frequently in tight braids or ponytails cause repeated pulling on the hair follicles. This results to a condition called traction alopecia, which is seen as losing hair along the hairline. In time, you will notice missing and broken hair strands along the fronts and sides of the scalp. To avoid this, you should tie hair loosely, alternate between tying up your hair or letting it down, and use the lowest setting on your hair dryer or flat iron to avoid damaging the hair. Actually, hair seems thinner and lifeless towards the end of the strands because it's more prone to damage and breakage. So for this myth, you should get your hair trimmed regularly every 6 to 8 weeks to prevent the hair cuticle from splitting at the end. Signs that you do need that trim include noticeable split ends and the hair strands tangle easily. So again, if you have hair and scalp concerns, feel free to book an online consult with me at DMD Skin Sciences. See you at the online clinic and stay safe.